Welcome back, traders. Today we are going to take a look at chart settings and drawing tools in TradeLocker. First, we will start with the markets panel where you can see all available symbols. To open a chart of any symbol, you just need to click on it and the chart will open. Let's open, for example, Euro USD. If you don't like the colors, background or anything else, the way to change it is really simple. You just need to right click anywhere in the chart and go to settings. In settings, there are four options: symbol, status line, scales and lines, and canvas. With precision, you choose how many decimals you want to display on the right of your chart, and under it you have the time zone where you can set up your time zone. Status line is the text in the top left corner of your chart. Here you can choose what you want to be visible on your chart. Moving to scales and lines, here you can change the format and settings of these scales. You have two scales, one linear which is at the bottom of the chart and shows you time, and the second one vertical which shows you price. You can also set up here if you want to see the high and low of your chart on the vertical scale. The last option is canvas. Under canvas you will find settings for the background of the chart, crosshair and grid lines, where you can change the colors and visibility. In the left corner of your chart you will find time frames. TradeLocker also offers time frames in seconds, but I would prefer time frames from 1 minute up. You can choose between your favorite time frames you use in your strategy and you can mark them as your favorite so you always have them visible on the screen. On the left side of your chart you will see a menu for drawing tools. As I said at the beginning, TradeLocker uses a TradingView charts, so the option for drawing tools are white and you will find everything you need for your setup. From the drawing tools, I would like to talk about Fibonacci. When you first use Fibonacci on your new account in TradeLocker, this rainbow will flash in your eyes. If you don't like to use this Fibonacci, I will show you how to change it so you have the classic Fibonacci retracement. First of all, you need to click on the Fibonacci and go to the settings. Then you will scroll down and unmark background. You can also unmark the prices if you want. I will keep them there. Now I will just go back above the numbers and unmark all numbers over 1. You can also get rid of other numbers that don't fit your strategy. Then you just click on OK, and from now on, every time you draw a Fibonacci in your chart, it will always look like this. If you want to delete some objects from your chart, you can do it one by one, or you can just right click on the chart and choose remove all drawings. If you want to delete specific ones and not all, you can go to the object tree and choose the ones you want to delete. And that will be all from the chart section in TradeLocker.